Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Shopify app suddenly stops working or behaves incorrectly. That's kinda normal to happen. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix this issue called app not working in Shopify in the latest version. So let's get started. Well, first thing, we're just gonna try and restart your browser, so make sure you are fully connected to the internet as well. We're gonna go all the way to Shopify.com. After this, just try and refresh. Log out and log back in. It's gonna refresh the page. Then check your app status. Go to apps and confirm the app is still installed and enabled. Where basically, you're gonna ask me where I'm gonna go and get the apps and everything else. Go all the way to apps and tap it. After this, go to app settings. So you can check if the app is currently here. You can also try and uninstall it and install it back again. So you can give it all of them permissions needed, since some apps stop working if permissions are revoked. You can also check if there is any update available by visiting the Shopify App Store and install the latest version. Tap on apps again, then go to all recommended apps, then open Shopify App Store. For me, I'm just gonna go and open it on a new tab. On the search bar, tap the name of the app and look if there is any update. After this, install it again. And that's it. You can also try and disable any conflicting apps, such as apps that affecting checkout, inventory, or even gems may conflict. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.